Welcome back to the Digital Asset Report. Today we're looking at how a crypto-friendly White House has set off a fresh wave of digital asset deals. According to the Wall Street Journal, crypto companies have announced 88 deals this year so far, worth a combined $8.2 billion. That's nearly triple the total transaction value of all crypto deals done last year, and we're only in April so far. This is the result of many companies moving quickly to capitalize on the new U.S. regulatory environment and the rising mainstream interest. Among the headline deals, 21 Capital, a brand new Bitcoin company, is going public through a $3.6 billion SPAC merger. The deal is led by Brandon Lutnick, son of Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, and this actually marks the third billion-dollar-plus crypto deal announced in just the past few weeks. Earlier in April, Ripple revealed it would acquire prime brokerage Hidden Road for $1.25 billion. And back in March, Kraken announced a $1.5 billion deal to acquire futures broker NinjaTrader, a move the Journal describes as one of the biggest tie-ups ever between crypto and traditional finance. These developments represent a major rebound from the slowdown after FTX collapsed in November 2022. In the years that followed, crypto deal-making had come to a halt under the weight of regulatory uncertainty and shaken market confidence. But now, under Trump, the tide is turning. President Trump has promised to make the United States the undisputed Bitcoin superpower. His administration is actively appointing crypto-friendly regulators to lead the charge, and at the heart of this is the newly appointed SEC Chairman Paul Atkins, who isn't holding back on his criticism of the previous administration's policies. Atkins argues that innovation in blockchain and digital assets was stifled for years under a cloud of regulatory confusion, and says his focus is on creating clear, rational rules of the road for crypto companies to operate and innovate. Last week at the SEC's first major crypto task force roundtable, Atkins laid out his vision for the new era of crypto regulation. Take a look.
So this is important work as entrepreneurs across the United States are harnessing blockchain technology to modernize aspects of the financial system. I expect huge benefits from this market innovation in terms of efficiency, cost reduction, transparency, and risk mitigation. Market participants engaging with this technology deserve clear regulatory rules of the road. Innovation, unfortunately, has been stifled for the last several years due to market and regulatory uncertainty that, unfortunately, the SEC has fostered. So I look forward to engaging with market participants and working with colleagues in President Trump's administration and Congress to establish a rational, fit-for-purpose framework for crypto assets.
Atkins' comments mark a symbolic shift away from the enforcement posture of former SEC Chair Gary Gensler. Instead of leading with lawsuits and penalties, the new approach is aimed at building frameworks that support blockchain innovation across industries, from finance to supply chain to emerging tech. Turning to the markets, Bitcoin continues to hold strong, trading above $94,800 today, up about 0.7% over the past 24 hours. The broader crypto sector is also showing signs of a cautious recovery, with the CoinDesk 20 index up 2.2%. One standout performer is Monero's XMR token, which surged as much as 40% in the last day, following a spike in trading volumes. XMR's daily trading volume jumped from an average of over $50 million a day to over $220 million in just 24 hours, following reports of a possible exploit that's drawn fresh attention to privacy coins. Sentiment in the market remains cautiously bullish, even as investors navigate macroeconomic pressures and wait for regulatory developments to solidify. In other news, here at BitGo, we're expanding our Solana staking rewards program through a new partnership with Marinade. BitGo clients can now stake Solana directly from their wallets while keeping full custody of their assets. This is a key advantage at a time when security is top of mind for institutional investors. Marinade's platform also features a stake auction marketplace, which allows multiple validators to compete for delegations, which helps users earn higher than average staking rewards. Marinade also offers protected staking rewards, reimbursing users if a validator underperforms due to things like extended downtime or unexpected commission changes. This new integration positions BitGo to offer some of the most competitive Solana staking rewards on the market today, all within qualified custody. Before we wrap up, let's check in on the biggest Bitcoin holders. Strategy's famous Bitcoin stack, which sits at 553,555 Bitcoins, is closing in on BlackRock's IBIT fund, which holds 573,869 Bitcoin. Combined, these two giants have already accumulated more Bitcoin than Satoshi Nakamoto's estimated original holdings. As competition between institutional titans heats up, it's clear that the race to dominate Bitcoin Bitcoin is not slowing down anytime soon. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a like and a follow and head over to bitgo.com to learn more.